Hello, beautiful people. Let's train your ears with some real English.
Hey everyone! So glad you're here.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back to English Listen Easy.
Okay, Jack, how are you today? Be honest.
Honestly, I'm great. Like, genuinely great.
Really? What happened?
I slept 8 hours last night.
8 hours?
8 full hours.
Jack, that's amazing. I don't remember the last time I slept 8 hours.
It was life-changing. I woke up and I just laid there, smiling at the ceiling,
Smiling at the ceiling?
like a happy baby.
Okay, I love that. I slept maybe 5 hours.
Oh no, why?
My neighbor decided to play music at midnight.
Midnight?
Loud music with a lot of bass.
Oh, that's rough.
I just laid there, listening, not happy about it.
The opposite of smiling at the ceiling.
The complete opposite. Anyway, I had 2 coffees this morning, so I'm okay now.
2 coffees. Respect.
Whatever it takes. Okay, so today's topic.
Yes, today is a really good one.
I think so too. We're talking about listening comprehension.
How to get better at understanding English when you hear it.
Not reading it, not studying a textbook, hearing it in real life.
And this is such a common problem, right?
So common. Like, you study English, you learn vocabulary, you understand grammar.
But then someone speaks fast, natural English, and you just,
Nothing.
your brain goes quiet.
Total silence. And you smile and nod and hope for the best.
I have done that so many times.
Same, even in my own first language sometimes.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
We're all just nodding and smiling sometimes. Okay, so why is listening so hard? Like, what makes it difficult?
Okay, so I think the biggest thing is people don't speak like a textbook.
Right. In a textbook, everything is slow, clear, perfect.
Every word is complete. Every sentence is clean.
But real people, we cut words, we connect words, we mumble.
Sure.
But that's the point. Natural speech sounds different from studied speech.
Very different. And if you only practice with slow, perfect audio, real English feels like a shock.
Like going from a swimming pool to the ocean.
Oh, that's a good one.
The pool is calm, controlled. The ocean is just waves everywhere.
And you're just trying to not drown.
Exactly. So the answer is you have to practice with real English.
Real conversations, real shows, real podcasts.
Like this one.
Subtle, Emma.
Very subtle. Okay, so what helped you personally with listening?
Okay, so for me, the biggest thing was podcasts, but not English learning podcasts at first.
Oh, interesting. What kind?
Regular podcasts about things I actually liked.
Like what?
Sports, history, kind of nerdy stuff.
Kind of?
Very nerdy stuff, fine.
And did you understand them?
At first, like 20%.
20%.
Maybe less. But here's the thing. I liked the topic, so I kept listening.
So the interest kept you going.
Yes, if I was bored, I would stop. But because I actually cared about the topic,
You pushed through.
every episode I understood a little more and then a little more.
That's such good advice. Listen to things you actually enjoy.
Your brain works better when you're interested.
It really does. For me, it was TV shows.
Oh yeah? Which ones?
Okay, so I started with Friends,
Classic.
the most classic, and I watched it first with subtitles in my language.
Okay.
Then I switched to English subtitles.
Smart.
And then, no subtitles.
Oh, that's scary.
Very scary. The first time I turned off subtitles, I felt like I was jumping off a cliff.
And?
I missed things, a lot of things, but I also understood more than I expected.
That surprise, wait, I actually got that, is the best feeling.
The best. And the more you do it, the better it gets.
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly, but really, truly, surely.
I love that.
Okay, story time. I have a good one.
Tell me.
So, this was a few years ago. I was visiting a friend in another city, American friend, native speaker.
Okay.
And we went to a coffee shop, busy place, lots of noise.
I already see where this is going.
So, the barista asked me something, and with all the noise, I just could not hear clearly.
Oh no.
But I thought I heard, so I said yes.
What did she ask?
She asked if I wanted room for cream,
Okay, normal question.
but I thought she asked if I wanted a different size.
Oh no.
So I said yes, and she changed my order to a large.
Oh no, Emma.
It was a lot of coffee for 9 a.m.
Did you drink it all?
Yes,
Of course you did.
I was not going to waste it.
Okay, that story is perfect because it shows even in a simple situation, background noise, fast speech, one missed word, everything changes.
One word. That's all it takes.
And it happens to everyone, even advanced speakers.
Even native speakers.
Right, listening is a skill. It doesn't just happen automatically.
You have to train your ears.
Exactly, like going to the gym, but for your ears.
Ear gym.
Ear gym, new business idea.
Don't. Okay, listeners, we want to stop here for a second.
Yes, mid-episode check-in. Hi, listeners.
How are your ears doing? Are you following us okay?
If you are, that's amazing. Seriously, good job.
And if you're missing some words, that's also okay. That's completely normal.
Keep listening. Keep going.
And hey, if you're enjoying this episode, please like it. It really helps.
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe so you don't miss new episodes.
We post constantly.
And we have a question for you in the comments. What is the hardest thing about listening in English?
Is it fast speech? Accents? New vocabulary?
Tell us. We read every comment.
Every single one.
Okay, back to the topic.
So we talked about podcasts and TV shows. What are some other ways to train your listening?
Okay, another good one, music.
Oh, yes.
Listening to English songs, but really listening, not just background music.
Trying to catch the words.
Yes, and then looking up the lyrics after.
And comparing. What did I hear versus what they actually sang?
Sometimes very surprising.
Very. I spent 3 years thinking a song said one thing, completely wrong.
Which song?
I'm not going to say. It's embarrassing.
Jack, you have to say.
I really don't.
Okay, fine. But listeners, you know the feeling. You think you know the words, and then you read the lyrics, and
Your whole life was a lie.
a small musical lie.
Very small, very humbling.
Another good method, shadowing.
Oh, okay. Tell them about that.
So shadowing means you listen to someone speak and you repeat what they say at the same time.
Like an echo.
Exactly. You copy the speed, the rhythm, the pronunciation.
It feels weird at first.
So weird. You feel a little crazy.
Talking to yourself, repeating things.
But it works really well because you're not just hearing the language, you're feeling it in your mouth.
I tried this with a movie once, just one scene, over and over.
Which movie?
One of the Iron Man movies.
Of course.
Tony Stark talks fast, very natural, very confident.
Great model for English, actually.
Right? And I just repeated his lines over and over.
And did it help?
My speaking improved a lot that month, no joke.
See, it works. And it's fun because you're using content you like,
You feel like a movie character.
which is a bonus.
Big bonus.
Okay, one more method. This one is simple but very powerful.
What is it?
Just listen every day, even for 10 minutes.
Oh, consistency.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Much better. Your brain needs regular contact with the language.
Like watering a plant.
Oh, nice.
You don't water a plant once a month and expect it to grow.
That plant is not okay.
That plant is dead, Jack.
Rest in peace, plant.
But your English, water it every day, even a little.
10 minutes, a podcast in the car, a show while you eat.
English while you do something else.
Passive listening.
It all adds up.
Okay, I have one more small story related to this.
Tell me.
So I have a friend. She was learning English and she was really frustrated with her listening.
I know that feeling.
She said, I study every week, but I still don't understand movies.
What did you tell her?
I asked her, how often do you actually listen to English? Not study, just listen.
And?
She said, once a week, in her class.
Once a week.
1 hour per week.
Oh no.
I said, that's why. 1 hour a week is not enough for your ears to get comfortable.
It's like going to the gym 1 hour per week and wondering why you're not getting stronger.
Exactly what I said.
Great minds.
So I told her, just listen more. Anything. In the car, while cooking, before sleep.
And did she try it?
She did, and 3 months later she called me very excited.
What happened?
She watched a whole episode of a show, no subtitles, understood almost everything.
No way!
3 months, just from listening more every day.
That's incredible and so motivating.
It really is. The ears just need time and practice.
Time, practice, and patience.
Patience is the hard one.
The hardest one. We all want results immediately.
Today I listen, tomorrow I'm fluent.
Unfortunately, not how it works.
Unfortunately.
But the progress is real, even when you can't see it every day.
It's happening, even when it doesn't feel like it.
Keep going. Okay, quick recap because we covered a lot.
We did. Okay, so listening is hard because real English is different from textbook English.
People speak fast, connect words, cut sounds.
To improve, listen to things you enjoy, podcasts, shows, music.
Use subtitles as a step, not forever.
Try shadowing, repeat what you hear.
And listen every day, even just 10 minutes.
Consistency is everything.
And don't worry when you miss things. It's normal.
Very, very normal.
Okay, bonus tip time. Listeners, this one is really practical.
Really practical. Okay, today's tip is watch a short video in English. Any video, 2 or 3 minutes.
Watch it first without subtitles.
Just listen. Don't stop it. Don't rewind it. Just let it play.
Then watch it again with subtitles.
See what you caught. See what you missed.
And then watch it one more time without subtitles.
3 watches, same video. Your brain works so hard in those 3 watches.
And each time you understand more, you'll feel it.
It takes maybe 10 minutes total.
But it is gold for your listening.
Pure gold.
Do this every day for 1 month. You will notice a difference. We promise.
Big promise, but we're confident.
Very confident. Okay, beautiful people, that is our episode for today.
Thank you so much for listening all the way to the end.
Seriously, that means so much to us.
You trained your ears today. Good job.
Really, good job. Listening to a full episode in English is not easy.
But you did it.
And that is something to be proud of.
Okay, before we go, final question for the comments.
What do you do to practice your English listening? Tell us your method.
Is it shows, music, podcasts?
Or something completely different? We want to know.
Leave your answer below. Let's help each other.
This community is the best.
The absolute best.
Okay, we will see you in the next episode.
Take care of yourselves.
Keep training those ears.
10 minutes a day.
10 minutes a day, people. Bye.
Bye, everyone.